So I'm gonna make my smoothie this morning. I've got my NutriBullet. I'm probably due for like a new one. This one's so grubby. It's just a rose gold one. I think it's just like the basic one. I got it because it was rose gold. But I'm on the hunt for a juicer, so I'm gonna probably get a juicer within the next couple of weeks. But what I put in there is some frozen berries and stuff. So the first one is frozen fresh mixed berries from Woolies. I've got some banana chunks, and then I have got some smoothie mix supercharged organic. It's got kale, kiwi, apple, kiwi fruit, sorry, apple and mint. Next thing I am using is the More Life alkalizing greens powder, and this is in the acai raspberry. I'm sorry if it's a bit blurry. It's like focused over here, but yeah, you just get that on their website, or you can get it from some health food shops. Then I am putting in, again, More Life smoothie booster. It is called Berries Galore. It was an Ashley Bynes collaboration. I really love it. I prefer berry than chocolate. I love this, so I put all of this in, and then I use I'm pretty sure this is the Pete Evans one, the Pete Evans coconut water. It's just the raw C one. I just get a cup of lilies and I just scoop it all in. Hello guys, and welcome to my day 7 of Vlogtober. I cannot believe it is day 7 already. It has been a hell of a ride already. I thought I would have given up after a week and it was just going to be too hard, but it's actually like I've had some technical difficulties, but I've still managed to get a video up every day, which I'm super proud of. I was meant to get up like about 6:30 this morning when Jack was getting up to leave for work, get Lily up and go for a walk, but my phone was flooded with so many comments and messages from some friends and stuff about my video, my weight loss video that went up, and I would just like to thank everybody for your support, your comments. It was a very raw moment for me. I felt very vulnerable. I was I was debating and battling between. Just give it a shake. Myself in a very vulnerable place, and I'm glad I did, because as I said in my description or in my wherever I post it, I hope that it can just help someone or anyone.
Girl, oh come here, girl. Where's the mom? Oh, thank you for getting my stuff. You're welcome. I wish I had a mom. I was gonna get a mom. I was get a mom for you. There you go.
Wait. You said that I was your only family. The only person who could send you home. I do have other family. You could have taken my book about this whole time.
There we go. I'm sitting on the pillow and relaxing.
What are you doing?
I play with all my LLs and I'm lining them up. I'm lining them up and those with this.
And there's still another bucket over there full of them.
And then Gilly's so and I put them so colorful.
Hey guys, so it's been a little while after I finished my juice. I just emptied it, then I should have showed you. But I probably left about like that. Lily is just packing away her toys now that she pulled out over the weekend. I've just cleaned the bench out. I've just pulled some stuff out for dinner. So I'm going to cook some salmon for me and Lily because the boys don't like salmon. So I'm going to have that with Lily with some veggies and just season it and just so yum. And then I've got some diced meats out and I'm just going to make the boys some beef stroganoff. There is the darkest cloud coming over, but that's how much juice that Lily drank out of the bottle, and that was full, which I think is super good. She would have gotten a lot of good vitamins and stuff in her. I cannot believe this rain. I'm so shook. So that is my daily orders board, and I just kind of like write down what I'm going to do for the week, and now I'm going to pop in my phone just some reminders, like call the dentist, like pay rent, pay dancing, just like stuff I have to pay and stuff, so I don't forget. I'm trying to talk over rain because I'm that type of person. So I'm gonna put the camera down, charge my battery, and wait till this rain stops to talk to you again. Hello guys, so it's a bit later this afternoon. It is about 4:30ish. Jack is home. We are home, about to have a shower, and I'm gonna start cooking my dinner early so I have like a fresh day of my intermittent fasting tomorrow, and just so I can eat early in the day. Like usually I would go to boot camp in the morning, and by the time I eventually got home it would be time for me to have lunch. Woo. But tomorrow I don't have boot camp till tomorrow night at 6:30, so I'm gonna get up in the morning and go for a walk. Hopefully the rain has stopped, so I'll be able to go for a walk. And then I've got groceries to do tomorrow. Today has been a super chill day. I look so pale. Just a super chilled day. The sun is out. It is not storming or anything at the moment. That was like, it like rain stormed for about like 5 minutes, and now it's like blue skies and raining. So I'm gonna jump in the shower and get ready and cook dinner and just get Lily ready for bed early because we're both so tired. I was up super late last night editing my weight loss video, and then I was up later posting it on all my social media. So I'm gonna have a shower, get ready for bed, have dinner early, and just get ready. I feel super weird getting ready for bed early, but I'm going to do that, and I'm going to do a face mask tonight. Just feel like I need to do a face mask, and I'm about to get my lashes fixed up, so it's like perfect timing. I'm gonna use the Glam Glow one, Supermud one. I haven't used it in a while, so my skin will love me for it. Who else's partner plays Fortnite and takes it seriously? Yum?
Yum.
So this is dinner. I kind of made the salmon really brown, like I like it crispy. Some rice, that's probably a little bit too much rice. I probably won't eat all that, and my veggies. But that's what I'm having for dinner. Probably a little bit too much, but I won't eat it all. But yeah. Hey guys, so I just finished my dinner. I didn't eat too much. There's still some left on my plate. I was super full. And this is what Jack did with the beef chunks. He just made, he's gonna have tacos. So that's his dinner. So I'm gonna go put my face mask on now and have some tea. Do you like my mask?
You look like my worst nightmare.
So I've got the Glam Glow Super Mud mask on right now and I just put it everywhere. What are you making, darling? Tell us. What have you got in there? It smells very taco-y.
Taco, that's not a word.
Well, it smells like tacos. So I think he's got a tin of tomatoes, like beef taco seasonings, like spaghetti sauce.
It's just burritos.
Burrito sauce.
I'm tired.
Very tired.
In paradise up above, if you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise up above, if you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. We'll meet again.
Alright, we're going to close out today's video. Lily is going to bed because she's very overtired. But we're going to close out today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little video today and I will see you all tomorrow.